Have you ever needed to purchase a second TV for your home that's inexpensive and has great picture quality? If so, stay tuned. I have a solution for you. Welcome to Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis, and if this is your first time joining us, we are a YouTube channel that unveils and unboxes all things tech and sometimes beyond. If you're a returning viewer, we say thank you and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing an Insignia 32-inch LED TV. With that said, let's dive right in and start the unboxing process. Yay! Let's start the unboxing! So I have my knife. Let's go ahead and start cutting this open. Cut the sides. So remember, this is an Insignia 32-inch LED TV, and it's a 720 pixel. 720p, which is set with the P stands for pixel. So let's see. So what I want to do, I want to get everything out and lay everything out on the table, and then we're going to walk by every item one by one so that we can talk about each and every feature and each and everything that I pulled out of the box. Alright, so let's talk about everything that I pulled out. Have a remote control. Inside there are batteries to place inside of the remote control. Inside of this plastic, there are some printed materials. This one looks like it's printed in Spanish, and that one is printed in English. Some more safety and printed materials. And here are the feet to mount the TV on. All right. If you take a look at that. And from looking at the feet, it looks like it's only going to take 2 screws. So if you can see that, it's only going to take 2 screws. And there are the screws. So yeah, that's correct. So it's a total of 4 screws. Only take 2 screws in each one of the feet to mount the TV on. All right, so let's look at the back of the TV and let's talk about some of the features and some of the ports that are on it. So here's your power cord. All right, so you have 2 speakers. You have a speaker right here, and then you also have a speaker right here. All right, so from this side, so this is for a headset right here. That's a port for a headset. Then you have a port for 2 HDMI cables. And this one is for your cable and antenna. And a video port, then you have a left and a right audio right here. And then this one is a digital optical output and a DC cord for USB. So that's a USB port right here. And let's see what else is on here. So again, I'll run it down to you again. You have an audio output for a headset. Then you also have 2 HDMI ports. You have an antenna and a cable port. Then you have a video port. You have an audio left and right. Then you have a digital optical output. Then you have your USB port. And that's the front of the screen. And again, it is lightweight. This is a 32-inch Insignia. And it has 720 pixels. And I'll place it here. And I think that's about it. Now that we've unboxed and set up the 32-inch Insignia LED TV, let's do a quick recap of the entire unboxing and everything we talked about, along with how much money we spent on this TV. This TV comes with 720 pixel resolution, 60 Hz of panel refresh rate, 2 HDMI ports, 1 composite, 1 digital optical audio output, 1 headphone jack / audio output, 1 antenna / cable, a game mode option, 1-year warranty, LCD panel, LED panel backlight type. This TV is also a great option for playing video games or adding it to a guest bedroom. Personally, I bought this TV specifically to play video games and to record myself streaming live. And now, ladies and gentlemen, what we've all been waiting for. Can I get a drum roll? I spent a total of $89.99 plus tax for this 32-inch LED Insignia TV. So again, if you're looking for a TV that's inexpensive and has great picture quality, then the Insignia may be an option for you. Remember, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and smack that bell notification. Until next time, see ya!